Today we are going to do binary necklace. What do you need? Black beads here, white beads here, colored beads here, binary key here, binary code chart, string, and Caesar. Guys, now let's do binary key. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Guys, I'm finally done my binary key from A, B, C to Z. Friends, now my name is Avner. A-V-N-E-R. A 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Tick mark. Now I'm gonna find V. There it is. 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Tick mark. Okay, now I'm gonna find N. So N. There's N. 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. Tick mark. Okay, now I'm gonna find E. Oh, there's E. 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. Tick mark. Okay, now I'm gonna find R. There is one. 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. Tick mark. Guys, let's make a necklace of my name, Avner. Okay, so black is 0, and white is 1, and red is stop. Okay, 0 first, 1, and 0, and 0, and 0, and 0, and 0, and 1. Stop. Guys, now let's go to the last letter R. Okay, 0. First is 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 0 stop. Guys, I'm finally done my necklace. Okay, so this is A V N E R. Like, share, subscribe. Have fun.